Now I would like to call Syed Abdul Manan to the stage to the speech on the topic, the power of positive thinking.
Imagine a life where you actively choose optimism. Have you ever considered the power of positive mindset? Respected chief guests, honorable teachers, dear audience, and my fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I want to explore the transformative thinking. We all face challenges, but our attitude towards them hold immense power. Let's talk about the incredible impact of seeing the glass as half full. Today, I want to talk about something that has the potential to transform our existence, enables us to surmount obstacles and to achieve greatness. That something is the power of positive thinking. As the great American poet Maya Angelou once said, do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better. Positive thinking is not merely a Pollyannish optimism. It's a proactive and intentional mindset that empowers us to create a better reality for ourselves and those around us. Respected audience, we all encounter challenges in life. We all experience inevitable setbacks, failures, and disappointments. However, it's our response to these challenges that defines us. Do we let them to vanquish us, or do we leverage them as opportunities for growth, learning, or self-improvement? Dear students, positive thinking is not about denying the reality of our circumstances. Rather, it is about choosing to focus on salutary aspects and facing the positive and believing in the possibility of a brighter future. Life is very unpredictable. Bad things can happen to everyone, regardless of their mindset. Positive mindset can certainly increase the likelihood of good things happening, but it's not a guarantee. It can't completely eliminate the risk of negative events. So what can it do? It can help us respond to these challenges or problems more efficiently. When we adopt a positive mindset, we open ourselves up to novel possibilities. We become more resilient, adaptable, and confident. So how can we harness the power of positive thinking in our lives? First, cultivate gratitude of those things for which you are thankful. Your food on table and roof on head is a dream of millions. Learn to say Alhamdulillah. Second, reframe negative thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking negative, challenge these thoughts by asking with yourself if they are truly logical. Replace negative thoughts with positive, empowering ones. Third, surround yourself with positive influences. Spend your time with people who uplift and support you, who encourage you to be your best self. Now I would like to encapsulate my speech. Positive thinking is not merely a feeling or attitude, it's a choice. A choice to believe in ourselves, to trust in our abilities, and to have faith in a brighter tomorrow. So I leave you with a challenge today. Choose to think positively, choose to believe in yourself, and choose to create a life that is replete with purpose, passion, and joy. Thank you.